Hi lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel somycrafty. Today's project is here, a beaded necklace, elegant necklace, beaded necklace, pearl beaded necklace. We are making this necklace. We have started with the pearls, 31 pearls, 3 mm white pearls. We stringed these 31 pearls. So first of all, we have to string these beads, pearl beads. Now we have to add 6 mm pearl. We have added with 3 seed bead, golden seed beads, and skipping these golden seed beads, we pass through this 6 mm pearl, and then we add 1 pearl 3 mm, and now we are passing through 1 pearl 3 mm which we stringed in the beginning, and now our thread is coming out from this pearl 3 mm, and now on this point we will add 3 pearls 3 mm with 1 pink, light pink 6 mm pearl with 3 golden seed beads 11. We pass through this pearls hole, and now we have to add 1 more white 3 mm pearl, and now we will repeat the same process which we did with yellow pearl and beads. Now we have to add different colors pearls, 6 mm pearls. We are using 6 colors in this necklace making. We have to use 6 different colors. Now we are adding white color pearl 6 mm. We have picked 3 mm pearls with 6 mm white pearl and with 3 seed beads 11 golden seed beads. Skipping 3 golden seed beads, we pass through 6 mm, and then we add 1 pearl and 3 mm, and now we are passing through 1 pearl, previous pearl, and in this way we have to continue the same process till the end of this necklace making. We have to add these 6 mm different color beads with 3 mm white pearls and golden seed beads. Now we are adding gray color with 3 seed beads golden 11 and 3 pearls 3 mm. This is the 4th color we are using. Total 6 different colors we will use in this necklace making. Pearl necklace, very elegant, very easy to make. Once you learn the technique, you can make easily this pearl necklace for yourself. Now 4 colors we have added here, and now we will add next color. Let's see which color. Now this is sky blue, light blue color with 3 golden seed beads and 3 pearls 3 mm. We have to add this 6 mm pearl, and now here again we will pick 1 more 3 mm white pearl, and now we will pass through the previous bead, pearl bead, and in this way we have added 5 pearls 6 mm with white pearls and seed beads 11. Now we are adding purple color, very elegant color. I have tried my best to use very elegant colors. 6 colors are added here. In the same way, we have to proceed further. We will make the necklace, repeating the same process. Now you can see we have added these pearls, and now we have stringed 31 pearls 3 mm again, as we added in the start of our necklace. So now we are adding clasp, golden clasp with pearls, with seed beads, golden seed beads. We have added our clasp. Total we have picked 8 seed beads with clasp. Now we are passing through all, we have to pass through all these stringed white pearls. We are going back to all these beads we beaded. So we will pass through all these pearls again once we made it. And now we, after adding clasp, we are coming back to all these beads, passing our thread from all these beads, pearl beads, to secure, make it secure, to reinforce our necklace making. So we are passing through these white pearls, 3 mm pearls. We are passing through all 3 mm pearls which we beaded in this necklace to reinforce our necklace making. And I hope you guys like this necklace. This is very elegant with different light colors. It looks very pretty, very cute and elegant. Pearls have their own beauty, their own charms. So I hope my viewers who like pearls jewelry, they will definitely like this project. Your own channel, somycrafty channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need your subscriptions. So I request all my viewers, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch full video. This is a learning process. All tutorials are a learning process, and if we skip these videos, so we can't learn properly. So if you want to learn the techniques of these beading techniques, so do watch fully. And I make pics and videos of my project, in which I upload in start of my project as a tutorial video, and on the end I also upload. So don't skip these videos. I make with very passion and love for my lovely viewers. So don't skip these videos. I also upload short videos, YouTube shorts. So don't forget to watch these short videos. Now our project is complete. Our necklace is complete. You can see how gorgeous, how pretty this necklace final look is before you. I hope you would like it. Here are some videos of today's project, which I made specially for you, my lovely viewers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe your channel somycrafty. I will say bye now. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.